Hi everyone, if you are finding this content helpful and want to dive deeper into the course, make sure to check out the entire course available on Udemy. By purchasing the course, you will get access to the course content, downloadable resources, and exclusive material to help you master developing this app using Flutter and Firebase. The link is in the description below. Now, there are some changes which we do need to make inside our food order model. So we'll add two parameters here. So you can say two string parameter, and it's going to be restaurant UID, and it's going to be string user UID. Okay, so it can't be nullable. So we will create constructor, and next we want to create JSON serialization. Let's save it. Now we have to update those two parameters inside our basket screen food model. So what we're going to do is that restaurant UID, and the next comes user UID. Okay, so inside restaurant UID we will go with restaurant data dot restaurant UID. We will add a null check here, and inside user UID we will go with odd dot current user dot UID. We have to add a null check here, and it's good. Now let's save it, and let's add some food data inside our cart. So we'll go to home. Let's go to Domino's. No, we don't want Domino's. We want something Chinese. So here we do have noodles combo. Let's add it to basket. We have to select a quantity. Let's go for 1. Add to basket. We will go back, and here we do have another item. We will add this to basket. Now if we go to basket, we do have this parameters. Now we want to order them. So what I'm going to do is that I will press this order now button, and it will send push notification to the restaurant. It says order placed successful. And now it's time that we open up our restaurant application and fetch the orders. So what we're going to do is that we will go to our restaurant application, and here we are in Uber Eats restaurant application. We will go to model, and here we have to add the food order model. So what we're going to do is that we'll go to Uber Eats. From here we will copy this food order model folder. We will head back to restaurant application, paste the model here, and now we have to fix the errors. So we will import the food model, we will import the restaurant model. We have to go with the user address model, user model, and I think so delivery model is already there. We are good with it. Now we have to import this to model. So what we're going to do, we will go to Uber Eats, and here we have to copy Uber user address and user model. We will copy this to file, and then head back to restaurant, and inside of it we will paste those two files. Now it's time that we import them, and it's good. Now we'll save it. Now we have to write a function to fetch the orders. So what we're going to do is that we'll create a new folder, naming it order services. We will create a new file, naming it order services dot class order services, and here we'll create a function static order services. Okay, it's not going to be order services, it's going to be fetch orders. We have to make this asynchronous, and we are good. Now here we will go with try catch, And inside of catch, we'll go with the log message. And then we will go with throw exception. And it's going to be E. Now, inside of try, we will be going with var snapshot equals await real-time database ref dot child, and it's going to be orders. Now we have to query like wherever we will find the same restaurant UID, we want to fetch that data. So what we're going to do is that we'll go with order by child, and the child is going to be restaurant UID. So what we're going to do, we will go to models. We have food order model, and from here we will copy this parameter restaurant UID, head back here, and we will paste it. Then we will go with dot equal to, and it's going to be auth dot current user dot UID dot get, and we have fetched the data. Now we will check if snapshot dot value not equals null, then we will throw a log message food orders fetched, and now we want to display the data. Okay, so we'll go with snapshot dot value dot toString. Now let's test out this function. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna go to view bottom navigation bar, and inside of the init state we will go with food order services dot fetch orders. Now let's go back here, and here we will add a check, and let's run the application. There is a catch here. Make sure you go to the real-time database rules, and you have to modify the rules. As you can see, I have added this line of code. So basically what it does, like whenever we want to do some query, we have to add that query parameter here. So here I have additionally added this parameter, or you can say query here. So make sure you add this query, else you will get some errors. We'll head back to the user restaurant project, and here right now I am in terminal. We will fetch the data where restaurant ID is similar. Okay, not this one. Okay, our snapshot is not null, and we have found something. Now let's display the data. As you can see, we have fetched the data where our restaurant ID is similar.
Hi everyone, if you are finding this content helpful and want to dive deeper into the course, make sure to check out the entire course available on Udemy. By purchasing the course, you will get access to the course content, downloadable resources, and exclusive material to help you master developing this app using Flutter and Firebase. The link is in the description below.